Hi everyone and welcome to Common Tech. Today I'm really excited to share something new and special with all of you. If you have ever felt like math is confusing, overwhelming, and maybe you are just looking to improve your skills, then we have a course for you which is going to be perfect, and it is called Mastering Mathematics. And I'm going to show you. If you go click on the hamburger menu and go to the courses, you can find it by looking Mastering Mathematics. So this course is taught by an experienced and passionate teacher, Anila Adil, who has helped countless students transform how they think about math. And trust me, once you see math in the right way, it can actually become fun and easy to understand. So, in order to, if you have any questions related to the like timing or anything about the course content and stuff like that, you can always reach out to her by clicking on this chat now icon, and then if you do wanna register it, right now it's free to use and free to get into this course and see the content. So basically, you would put it in your cart. I already have it in my cart, so I will click on it and then do a checkout, and you will fill out this information and then continue email and continue to payment and then confirm order. And once you do that, you should have it over here in the in your, if you click on your avatar, you can go to community courses and you should be able to see that. So the course starts with basic, simple concepts that help you build confidence and set a strong foundation. Like then step by step, it's gonna then it will you will move to a problem solving techniques. You will learn how to think critically, analyze problems, and solve them just like a pro. So you have multiple chapters about different kind of operations. Basically, it is the like starting from the ground up. It's gonna. I know math can sometimes feel like a tough subject. Maybe you have like struggled with equations, fractions, and word problems in the past. So you may have said to yourself that I'm just not good at math. But trust me, if it is taught the right way, you're gonna start liking it. And we have the flashcards here. We have quizzes about the math. You can always keep record of like your previous results and stuff like that. So you can upload the quizzes and they're gonna show up in the results. You can bookmark your flashcards, stuff like that. We have a lot of practice questions, and so this is definitely going to build a strong foundation in math. You can find the teacher meeting details over here. You can have the notes linked to every chapter over here in the messaging tab. So, and one more time, like if I go back to our courses and try to look it up, and I'm gonna put the link of this course in the description. So a little bit more about the teacher, Anila Adil. She's an experienced teacher who has passion for making math simple and easy to for everyone. Her teaching style is clear, patient, and organized. So like if you are struggling with math in school, or someone who just wants to sharpen their skills, like her guidance will help you see math from a whole new perspective. So definitely head out to our website. I'm gonna be sharing the link to register at the bottom, like in the description of the video. Definitely give it a try. Thank you so much for watching, and we are excited about this course. Please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends.